Ready to ditch those expensive phone bills without sacrificing service? Let's dive into using Mint Mobile, the affordable mobile provider. First things first, let's talk plan options. Mint Mobile offers various plans with different data allowances. Choose the one that is best suited for your needs. Consider how much data you use monthly for a great fit. Setting up your Mint Mobile account is very easy. Head to their website and log into your account to manage your plan or update your billing information. You can also download their app for easy mobile access. Keeping an eye on your data usage is a breeze. With Mint Mobile, you can track how much data you've used and get alerts when you are nearing your data limit. Encountering any issues, Mint Mobile has great customer support. Start with their comprehensive facts section on their website, or you can contact them via phone or chat for more personalized assistance. To maximize your Mint Mobile experience, take advantage of their multi-month plans, enable Wi-Fi calling when possible, and monitor your data usage. Enjoy saving money with Mint Mobile.